Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are going to show you how to add elegance to your Dollar Tree flowers. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For this project, you will need 2 bunches of roses from the Dollar Tree, a 2-inch round styrofoam, a can of spray paint of your choice, a vase of your choice to place your flowers in. All materials that we're using will be linked in the description bar below this video. There are so many positives to spray painting your roses. If you have a big party or event that you're having and you want to keep the costs down and stay within budget, this is a good way to do it. Spray paint your roses. Get them from the Dollar Tree and spray paint roses. Or you could just get them from wherever you choose, such as Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, wherever you want to get your roses. And you can also spray paint them and say they don't have the color that you need. This is another great thing about it is you can actually just get the spray paint and spray them the color that you desire to have them. So there's a lot of benefits to spray painting roses or flowers. It's a great way to save money, and it's also a great way to have that elegance and that luxurious look without breaking the bank. Now we are flipping the roses over so that we can get the other side, but if you choose to just have a multicolored and show a little of the pink in there, then you can be done with it at this point. But if you just want to go on and just take it all one solid color, you can continue to keep spraying coats of white paint onto the roses until they become completely white. As you can see, some of these roses are all over the place. So what we are doing is gluing the leaves to the petals to give it more of that defined look and more of a natural look. We are now gluing the styrofoam ball into place so that we can start fixing the roses inside of the vase. So this does complete our tutorial for today, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. Hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.